Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing a Christmas makeup tutorial. Some of the video some parts of the video will be muted, but as you can see, you guys pretty much know like the steps that I do. Brows took forever. That's kind of why the video, like in the video you can see that it was getting dark outside, because my brows kept messing up. And yeah, so that took like 2 hours to fix. But anyways, yeah guys, just make sure to stay tuned, watch the video, like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell. I hope you guys had a good Merry Christmas. And yeah. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I'm on to the next eyebrow, and all you do is just blend it in like usual. And yeah. By the way guys, I love to dance, so if you see me dancing and moving, because I like music, so yeah. Okay you guys, so right now in this step I'm going to be putting the concealer on as a base to conceal my eyebrows. Of course you're going to see me blend it in on the left and right eye. You guys see me do this step before. My eyebrows wasn't really cooperating, and yeah, your girl was just struggling this time, but don't worry, next time I'll get it right. But yeah, that's just basically the step for the eyebrows. Next, I go in with the Plain Makeup by Yolanda eyeshadow palette, nude palette. I think it's called Church Girl. Her palettes are really good. Yeah, and I'm gonna go in with that orange color. And basically, it's always good to, before you put eyeshadow on, to use like concealer to blend it. Sometimes the colors take a while to like pack on, but I think that's probably because I have to wash my brushes. But yeah. Honestly, this was like a rush like makeup tutorial, even though I started late and took too long, but I wanted to give you guys a video, so yeah. But yeah, simple steps, and the same thing that you do with that eye, you're gonna do with the next eye. So yeah. Next, I'm gonna go in with the red eyeshadow and try to blend it in the best I can with between the orange. And yeah, you just blend it. And also, that's like a solid red, and after I did the solid red, you guys are gonna see me go in with like a sparkly red to bring out that effect. So yeah.
If you love to travel Capital One has a rewards credit card that's perfect for you. With Venture X, earn unlimited double miles on everything you buy and turn everyday purchases into extraordinary trips. Plus, receive premium travel benefits like access, where you just check in and chill out. Open up a world of possibilities with Capital One. What's in your wallet?
Terms apply. Lounge access is subject to change. See CapitalOne.com for details.
Hey, I'm Ryan Reynolds. Recently, I asked Mint Mobile's legal team if big wireless companies are allowed to raise prices due to inflation. They said yes. And then when I asked if raising prices technically violates those onerous 2-year contracts, they said, what the are you talking about?
One more day until Friday. But then, somebody walks into the elevator and then you check your phone quickly and discover today is actually Friday. So yes, happy Friday, random stranger in the elevator. Happy Friday indeed. Yep, switching and saving with Geico feels just like that. Get more with Geico.
Jessica, 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 eh. Te tomba, maman, Jessica.
Then, of course, I'm going to go back in with the orange color to add some more to the side to give it that, like, rainbow effect. And, yeah, sorry if I'm so close at the screen looking at you guys, but, yeah. And what I do on this side, well, I'll do on the next, on the other eye. And I kind of just put, like, the sparkly red in the middle to give it that like Christmas look. And yeah, I love the colors that I chose. I was gonna do like a green like eyeshadow, but I was like, I've already tried green eyeshadow, and I was like, you know what, it's Christmas, so I just wanted to play in red. So yeah, there you guys go.
That's your 2025 intentions.
Next is concealer time. I think I'm like running out. But yeah, I just kind of put concealer on the base of my spots. And yeah, I had to use like a different foundation as well because the concealer formula, there wasn't really a lot coming out. So yeah, I tried to match my skin as much as I can. Yeah, you'll see me blend it in though eventually. Okay, next it's time to put on foundation. I think I mixed it in with like Fit Me, like the two kinds. There's dewy and then there's matte. Because I'm sorry guys, I had to mix it because the two formulas for me just work together, and it might look a lot that I put on, but of course I'm gonna blend it in because I kind of like to, you know, cover my blemishes and everything. Yeah. But yeah, I tried to match it to my skin tone the most I could, so yeah, don't worry guys, everything will be blended right at the end. Then of course I go in with the lighter shade to brighten my eyes. And then after that I'll like bake my face. I'll put the powder on. But yeah. Next, I go in with the darker concealer. Of course, I ran out, but I tried to put it in the corners of my face. That kind of helps like contour it, so your makeup looks put together. Yeah, I need more, but that's the steps. Next, I blend out the concealer, and of course, just drag it down. Trying to blend it in as much as possible. Of course, I didn't have any setting spray, but yeah, you just kind of want to blend out the two colors, as you see me trying to do. Also, you guys, the quality looks low because it was getting dark outside. So yeah, that's why, the background kind of looks like that. Yeah, but it's okay. You'll see me in another clip showing you guys what it actually looks like in the light. But as you can see, I'm baking my face, but of course I'm not gonna let like the powder sit on for too long. Yeah. But yeah, that's really all you do. Just like a couple simple steps, and then of course it'll be set. Next is mascara time. I love mascara because it makes my eyelashes look natural. Yeah, I don't think I put a lot this time, but It's okay because I love when I put mascara on because I don't wear lashes. But yeah. Then again, next, I'm gonna put on like lipsticks or lip glosses just to kind of touch up the areas so that way you guys could see how the makeup looks better in the light. So yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that lipstick on like I did before. Next, I'm gonna go in with my powder. It's like a face powder from Clinique, and it's actually a natural color. So yeah, I use that to blend out on my face. Next, you guys will see me put the mascara on again just to show you guys the full face of makeup in the light. But yeah, I'm not really doing too much. I'm just lightly putting it on so you guys can see it. And yeah. Okay, you guys, that was the lip gloss that I was talking about that I put on like after I put the lipstick on. So yeah, I have to go out with the bang with lip gloss to keep my lips moist. And yeah, super cute. Like red looks good on me. I love it, and it matches like the eyeshadow a little bit. So yeah.
You wanted your hair to be in your face, style it down, but I just am kind of over the bangs. These are kind of my bangs. I'm gonna use my cream and some gel.
Next, I go in with a light lip gloss on top. And yeah, I would say that's the finishing look to it. Yeah, I have like a couple steps towards my makeup tutorial. So yeah, I hope you guys love it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and share the video. And yeah.
If I flip it this way, there's parts on this side. For diffusing, I use my Dyson Supersonic. It's never let me down. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I like to diffuse. I like to hover first over my curls, and then as my hair gets more dry,